Meaning of glib.
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 Glib. The word glib refers to someone's speech or manner that is fluent and easy, but is insincere or shallow. It suggests that the person is able to speak smoothly and confidently, often without thinking through their words carefully, and may be more concerned with gaining an advantage than with telling the truth. It can also suggest a lack of depth or sincerity in the person's communication style, particularly when it comes to serious or sensitive topics. Overall, glib implies a superficial charm that may mask a lack of substance or genuine connection with others.